Good morning, tubers. I'm coming out of the hotel room here. Got to go do TV interviews this morning. My hair's wet because I just got out of the shower. But I am going to grab a Starbucks before my ride gets here. So, hey, good morning. How are you?
I'm on camera.
You are. How's it going?
Hello.
Could I get a grande vanilla latte, please? Thank you very much. There's my limo driver. It's Greg. Hey, we're on our way to Vulcan Park. Vulcan Park. This is where they have all the TV stations. It's under the shade of Vulcan Butt. I think we'll pass that pretty soon, right? Coming up right here, look. There it is. Vulcan. Right there. Dead end. That's your career? What? Hey! And there's Birmingham right there. Oh, and look at that gorgeous old sign. It's like Hollywood, but not. In the lounge area here at the TV station, I'm gonna grab a little coffee and add it to my coffee because I don't get enough coffee.
Comedy Club was shut down for renovation. So.
Oh, was last night the first time you were open?
It's nice though. It's really nice.
You know, trying to get it.
Great.
Kathy, I was like, it's pretty interesting, but I would never do this stuff.
Yeah.
She's like, hey, I can't do it. Do it.
Thanks for that shout out.
Oh, you're definitely getting it. That is some beautiful, beautiful food. And it is so, again, from Bright Star and Bessemer.
Alabama.
That's gorgeous. Thanks for having me on the show, guys. I appreciate it.
Bye.
Bye. Well, the show's over. The show was great. Now I'm walking to get some food, and I'm trying to decide, do I want Taco Bell or do I want Steak and Shake, which right there, they're back and forth, Taco Bell or Steak and Shake. I'm leaning towards Steak and Shake because I had Taco Bell the other night, so I'm definitely going, I think I'm definitely doing Steak and Shake. Let's go, come on. Oh yeah, Steak and Shake. And there's the good news. Yeah. I'm really hungry, and I couldn't make up my mind, so I got that and that. I'm pigging out on all that. Well, Steak and Shake was amazing. Oh, those sliders. I don't know if you've had the Steak and Shake sliders. They're so good. I get garlic. Let's see, it's garlic. I can't remember now. I know it's garlic and the hot ones. I get all the spicy ones. I'd have to look at the menu to remember. I'm sorry. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. And share with your friends. And I'll start tomorrow's as soon as I get up and start walking around Birmingham, Alabama. Stardome. All right, till then, see you guys. Bye.